BG reusable glue pots. They call these magic glue pots for a couple reasons. One is the airtight cap that actually has space for the brush, allows you to store the brush within the container. You have your glue inside, you can store it for days without it drying up, again, because of the airtight cap. The other reason, which I think is super fascinating, is the 0.9 liter tank. You can fill up the whole reservoir, but it's vacuum designed, so it doesn't leak out, and you'll always have the perfect amount of glue in the reservoir. Let me demonstrate. All right, so to fill it up, you tip it this way actually, and there's a little lip here, so you can pour your glue in. And as you can see, I'm gonna fill this right up. You take a moment here. I got it full. Let it settle for a second. So I finished off my bottle here, but it's not quite full in the reservoir. But you can tip it up, and if you can see through, the glue's in the back, it's gonna settle, but it's just gonna fill up the tank here in the front, only up to the level point. Even if this reservoir were full all the way to the back, it wouldn't leak out, it wouldn't go anywhere. It always keeps the perfect amount. Again, store the brush inside. A little lip here for cleaning your brush. So this glue pot is recommended for water-based glues, such as Intercom Eco Stick here. Not recommended for solvents such as barge cement, because solvents, actually the vapors can still seep through the plastic. So that can cause harm, cause evaporation. So only used in water-based glues. Not just for glue either. You can use other water-based products like Giardini products. Stores those great as well. So that's the BG reusable magic glue pot.